1. I have niin niin gi. 2. He, she has gi. 3. Is going to we. 4. I am going to nui. 5. Are you going to kui. 6. Did you ki. Si wabma animate bematsemagak. Si wamdan inanimate bematsemgasnuk. 1. I have niin gi past tense. A. I have seen a snake. Niin gi wapma knebik. Niin gi wapma knebik. B. I have seen a shoe. Niin gi wamdan makkazin. Niin gi wamdan makkazin. 2. He, she has gi past tense. A. Eagle has seen a snake. Megaze gi wapman knebik. Megeze gi wapman knebik. B. Deer has seen a boat. Wawashkesh gi wamdan jiman. Wawashkesh gi wamdan jiman. 3. Is going to we. Is going to we. Future tense. A. Eagle is going to see a snake. Megeze we wapman knebik. Megeze we wapman knebik. B. Deer is going to see a house. Wawashkesh we wamdan wigwam. Wawashkesh we wamdan wigwam. 4. I am going to nui. Future tense. A. I am going to see rabbit. Nui wapma wabus. Nui wapma wabus. B. I am going to see a chair at the store. Nui wamdan pabuin adawe gamagong. Nui wamdan pabuin adawe gamagong. 5. Are you kui future. A. Rabbit, are you going to see eagle? Wabus kui wapma na megese. Wabus kui wapma na megese. B. Eagle, are you going to see the spoon? Megese kui wamdan na emkwan. Megese Kui wamdan na emquat. 6. Did you? Key. Key. Past tense. A. Rabbit. Did you see eagle? Wabus. Ki wapma na megase. Wabus. Ki wapma na megase. B. Eagle. Did you see rabbit's place? Megase. Ki wamdan na wabus endat. Megase. Ki wamdan na megase endat.